Hi, it's Jennifer with Ecstasy Crafts. Just wanted to share with you this fabulous new line of paper that we've got in. There's a bunch of different collections, but I've just picked up one to show you because it's all encompassing here. We've got a fabulous 12 by 12 paper pack with a bunch of scrumptious, just different colors in it. But with that, you also get, which is fabulous, the A4 size cardstock. So you've got a perfect complement in the cardstock, a perfect complement in A4 cardstock decorative paper, and also, wait, it gets even better. We've got the 6x6 paper pack, and you also can get with it this, it's a kit, so it's got the 6x6 paper pack in it, but also this fabulous set of toppers, which then just pop out. So they just pop out, and you can use those with your card sentiments, and they coordinate with the whole line. Anyway, just wanted to share that with you. Like I said, there's a bunch of different styles to choose from, and I just picked this for her because it had the whole full complement. Talk to you later. Bye.